Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a super easy and delicious shrimp wonton. So let's get started.
Chop your chicken and some shrimp first. Then put chicken skin, 1/4 shrimp, white pepper, salt, 13 spices powder, sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, cornstarch, and 1 egg white. Put them in a blender. Blend until smooth. Like this. Add the rest of the shrimp. Pulse a few times. Keep some texture. Spoon the filling into wrappers. Folding and sealing tight. Dip your finger in water and use it to seal the wonton wrappers. Boil water. Drop in wontons. Cook about 3 minutes. Stir occasionally with a spoon to prevent sticking to the bottom. Soy sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, chopped green onions, nori, dried shrimp. Pour in hot water from cooking wontons. Mix well. Put the wontons in the soup. Done!